Dealing with tax debt can feel overwhelming, but today, I'm going to share how I tackled mine and how you can do the same. My journey to financial freedom wasn't easy, but with the right strategies, I was able to take control of my taxes and my future. Before we dive in, make sure to stick around until the end because I've linked some valuable resources in the video description below that will help you continue your journey to financial freedom. Whether you're looking for budgeting tools, tax relief programs, or professional advice, those resources are there to support you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is tax debt? It's the amount you owe to the CRA if you haven't paid your taxes in full or on time. But you're not alone. Many Canadians face tax debt at some point. Key points. Tax debt can accumulate from late filings, interest on unpaid balances, or not accounting for all sources of income. Brief mention of how CRA penalties work, including interest rates. A few years ago, I found myself in a situation where my tax debt was mounting. I didn't know where to begin. The first step for me was acknowledging the problem and taking action. Here are the steps I took that helped me get on the path to financial freedom. And remember, these strategies are all applicable if you're in Canada. The first thing I did was reach out to the CRA directly. Ignoring them won't make the debt disappear. It only makes things worse. It's important to know your rights when dealing with the CRA. I looked into the Voluntary Disclosures Program, VDP, which can sometimes waive penalties for honest mistakes. I knew I had to tighten up my budget to pay off my tax debt faster. This meant cutting unnecessary expenses and focusing on what truly mattered. Don't be afraid to get professional help. I spoke with a tax consultant who helped me create a strategy for paying off the debt. Sometimes, the investment in expert advice can save you money in the long run. It took time and discipline, but with a clear plan and a few sacrifices, I paid off my tax debt. This journey taught me how to manage my finances more efficiently, and now I'm focused on building wealth. Key points. Importance of sticking to the plan, even when things get tough. Share how financial freedom feels. More control over your life, more options for the future. To avoid tax debt in the future, here's what I do now. First, I stay on top of my tax filings. Don't miss deadlines. Second, I keep organized records of my income and expenses. And finally, I set aside money for taxes throughout the year, so there's no surprise at tax time. Tackling tax debt is possible with the right plan and determination. My journey to financial freedom wasn't always easy, but taking those first steps made all the difference. Remember, it's not about quick fixes. It's about making consistent, smart choices over time. If you're ready to take control of your own finances, don't forget to check out the video description below. I've included some valuable resources like budgeting tools, tax relief options, and expert advice to help you on your path to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to share your own experiences or ask any questions. See you in the next video.